In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit customer messages in QuickBooks Online. Having clear, professional messages on your invoices and other sales forms is really important. It helps set expectations, reduces confusion, and makes your business look more polished. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in QuickBooks Online to update those default messages that go out to your customers, and how to save them so they're applied automatically. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to the main dashboard. At the top right corner of the screen, look for the small gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the settings and customization options. Click the gear icon, and from the menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This will open up the main settings window for your company. On the left-hand side of this settings window, you'll see several tabs. Go ahead and click on the Sales tab. This section controls how your sales forms look and behave, including invoices, estimates, and statements, as well as the messages that go out with them. Within the Sales tab, scroll until you find the Messages section. This is the area specifically dedicated to the default text that appears in your customer emails. Click on the Messages section to expand it, and then click the pencil icon on the right-hand side. The pencil icon is QuickBooks' way of telling you that you can edit these settings. Now you'll see a drop-down labeled Sales Form. Open this drop-down and choose the specific form you want to edit. For example, you might select Invoices if you want to change the message that goes out with every invoice, or choose Statement if you want to adjust what customers see when you send them account statements. Each form can have its own customized message, so make sure you're working on the right one. Once you've selected the form, move down to the email message box. This is where you can type or edit the default message your customers receive. You can update the wording to match your brand voice, add a friendly greeting, include payment instructions, or remind customers of your terms. Keep it clear and concise. And remember, this will be the message that appears automatically each time you send that type of form. When you're happy with your changes, click Save to lock in the updated message, and then click Done to close out of the settings. Your new customer message is now ready and will be used the next time you send that type of sales form in QuickBooks Online.